is Hailey Bennett. I am a staff engineer at Intelligent Concrete, and today we are running a very exciting project on the Wildlife Urban Interface, or WUI. And basically, it is proving the efficacy of using concrete homes to mitigate forest fires. There are lots of videos over it on our YouTube channel, and so go check those out if you have any more questions. But I'll show you our setup, and then I'm gonna get back to burning things. So here we have 12 rows of matches. I haven't actually counted these rows yet, but a painstaking process. We're using these as the little wooden homes, and then these as the concrete homes. We are also testing things like wind speed, temperature before and after, time for the flame to reach various points, fraction of matches burned. And yeah, we're having a blast, right, Steve?
Yep, totally.
Yeah, so stay tuned. We'll have the results of this test hopefully pretty soon.